busy already,
yeah.
isn't it?
They're up at end. You want me to jump off?
Yeah, just jump off a minute.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Just gonna do change my suspension.
Da, da, da. Have you done it?
That's off grown-ups, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah.
Right, I think everybody's here.
Are they?
Yeah. Do you want me to ask if everybody's ready, or you're on a thingy slope?
I know. Where's Paul?
I'm sure I saw Paul come round. Oh, Paul's there.
Oh, he's here. Yeah. Is that everybody?
Think so.
Yeah. We said that we'll if we need to do the drop off, if there's a place where I need somebody to do it, I'll mark it. But we won't do. You know what I mean?
You want somebody in the back and then everybody else doing drop off.
Well, we said we'd only drop off if we needed to do it.
Okay.
So if I thought there was a need to do it, I'll do it. Okay. But other than that, it's.
You're all right with us just following you?
Yeah, yeah. Is that all right?
Yeah, we'll do that.
All right. Ready? You are? No. Only if we need to. Yeah. Are we happy with that? I mean, we can do it if. Arguing with her.
What are you on about?
Paul said, I'm not going to argue with you. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, are you ready for me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes. Right, so it's 9 o'clock, so it's not too late, is it?
Which way are we going?
Right.
Is everybody out?
I'm watching.
We're going to do the drop-off system.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
He says we're going to do drop-off system.
Right, okay.
Is that alright?
Yeah, fine.
Do you think we need a back person or not?
Yeah, we need somebody at back.
Yeah.
Do you want me to do the back? That's what I think. I'll work it back to
Oh, Paul, you're always at the back.
No.
Where's Ray?
It's like when I look
What?
in the mirror and I can see you, and I can see, and yeah, Bob.
Where?
But then, like, fourth behind, I couldn't see.
Where's Ray? Oh,
Yeah.
we're going to do a drop-off system.
Yeah. But I was
We're gonna
like,
do
I was
drop-off
doing 50
system.
mile an hour, and it was like,
I think Paul's opted to stay at back. Yeah.
yeah.
We're going to do drop-off system.
Well, that's what I thought when I come down here.
I think
couldn't
Paul,
see at all. I thought,
Paul Griffiths.
there's no point going further on because they won't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm going to see if Steve will do it again.
And it keeps on saying different.
See if Steve Metcalf will do it again.
I think, yeah, right.
Aye. Where is Steve? Where's Ray? Did they get stuck at lights?
What traffic lights?
Yeah. Oh, so we're coming down here and I said to Donna, I said, I can't seat fourth person. I said, there's no point carrying on. Because it goes to pot just like that, doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah. I said to Donna, I said it'd be a lot easier if we were in comms because we could, you know what I mean, at least. Yeah. Yeah, I had to delete it though because I added George because George has got packed out bulb black, so I added him and then it all went to a pot. I lost Donna again, so I had to reset it all. They're a nightmare. No. Yeah. Well, that's when me and Donna said, I regret getting rid of them.
Which traffic lights did they get stuck at?
Well, it first set of traffic lights. Yeah.
What's this place?
I'm not 100% sure. Is it water or something?
This old car.
Yeah.
You should have just gone up that other road and fucked off. Go on. Go on. I'm recording. I'm gonna have to delete all this out because all Donna's done is fucking moan. What do you reckon to that road? Yeah. You fucking wrong bastard. Ah, they're coming. They're here. Road up there. What turned up there?
What, that way?
To your right.
Oh yeah, that takes you up towards sort of like Malton and that way
Right,
on.
what, is it like a cut through?
Yeah. We'll be going that way on. Up towards that way, because I was going to go through, try and route it through Castle Howard.
Right.
You know, because it's nice going through Castle.
Yeah.
And then sort of like up through Lutton the Hall. Then into sheep country.
Yeah. If we ever get there.
Yeah. Must be Scarecrow Day, they've got scarecrows all over. Ray's here anyway. Oh yeah, probably.
Oh, sorry. Paul, what in front of him?